soap and water represent cold and warm air respectively. Dense cold air collides with lighter warm air, pushing the warm air upwards. This creates a horizontal vortex. The stirring represents a storm. The storm causes an updraft, which forces the vortex upwards. When the updraft forces the vortex completely vertical, you get a tornado. The glitter just exists to help you see the tornado, but it can also be used to represent the dust particles thrown around by the tornado's force. Thanks for watching!